Hey, nieces and nephews, guess what day it is? Food Pantry Day!
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Alright, I went to the local food pantry. It's like a mini haul, but let me show you what we got. And as usual, we're gonna start from left to right. Alright. We got some boneless chicken thighs. Oh, yes. Now, you know what we're gonna do with those?
Eat them?
Besides eat them, Mr. Mike Cameraman. We're gonna do food pantry barbecue. And I'm gonna show you the best way to do your barbecue. Okay? Alright. We got 3 packs of these boneless chicken thighs. These will be great on the grill. But we're gonna marinate them first. In fact, I'm gonna do a whole chicken. We have a small pack of ground beef. We could do burgers with those, or even better yet, we've got some ground turkey. Ground turkey burgers on the grill are fantastic. We also have, for the little sweet tooth, the natural sweet tooth, some dates. Now, you can use these as is to eat them, or let's put them in what? Fruitcake? What else, Mr. Mike? You got any ideas? You guys got any ideas out there?
Fruitcake.
What do you do with dates? What do you do with them? I have a summertime drink I can make with dates. Yeah, I'll show you that one. All right. We have 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. I'm going to make macaroni and cheese with the barbecue. We also have my favorite, no salt added sweet peas. That is so important because that extra salt is going to get you. I'm telling you now. We have no salt added corn, no salt added mixed veggies. We also have over here some diced tomatoes, no salt added. I'm telling you, the food pantry is a great place to go for no salt items. Now, we do have a can of spaghetti sauce. This is regular. But because we have a can of no salt diced tomatoes, we can combine these, and the sodium will be much less, if we do a whole thing of spaghetti. Now, look at this. Some tuna. We also got some more. What do you call these? SpaghettiOs? Well, that's what I call them. It's the generic version.
SpaghettiOs and beef.
Yeah. I take these, I put a little extra cheese on them, and I bake them in the oven. Jay loves it. I got a can of tomato soup, if I can handle it right. This is great. Tomato soup is great for sauces, soups, even basting your barbecue. You can make a barbecue sauce with this. I can show you that too. We've got some pinto beans, and of course I got some more mixed fruit. I'm going to do another mixed fruit pie. Those are great for summer. It's a cool, low-fat dessert that satisfies.
And you can make a fruit salad.
Yes, you can. Now back over here, we got some goodies. A cream cheese dessert. I shouldn't be doing that. Also, we got some cornbread.
That's good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, I love that. Look, we got some pretzel buns.
That's great for burgers.
Yes.
Excuse me.
These make some of the best burgers. You can put a little butter on these or olive oil. I heard you about that low cholesterol stuff everybody wants, and I'm going to do that. Put that on the grill. They're wonderful, just for like a minute. We also got some roasted almonds.
Hey, my favorite.
Yes.
And stuff like that, nuts are expensive in the stores. A bag like that is about $20.
Yeah. This is $20, guys.
Yeah.
$20. Yeah. Now, over here, we got
Spaghetti.
some spaghetti. Of course, spaghetti is wonderful. We also got some multigrain cereal. Jay's going to love that. Peanut butter and jelly. Now, this stuffing mix has a high salt content to it, so I'm not going to use it. But what you can do with this is, for stuffing, obviously, but you can also crunch it up and use it to fry chicken and pork chops, and it's already seasoned. Yeah, you know, but watch the salt content. It's very high. I do not recommend using this. I just don't. You know. Now, we have some Cinnamon Toast Crunches, the rolls, cereal for in the morning. Jay likes that too. I gotta watch the sugar content in this, but this also makes a wonderful baked cinnamon dessert. You would be amazed. They gave us some home essentials, an ice pack. You can put this in your freezer. It will freeze solid and stay frozen a long time. You then put it in your cooler when you're going camping, or if you're going fishing, or just out for a picnic. And it'll keep your cold things cold. Your pop, your meats. It's great. Over here, some soap, Irish Spring, to keep us nice, clean, and fresh. We also got some light bulbs. Oh, this is essential. Essential. And then we got 2 packs of toilet paper. Now let's get a pan of everything we got right here. Okay, nieces and nephews, and everyone else out there, do not be afraid to reach out to the food pantries. Do you know how much food is costing now? And let's face facts, they cut the food stamps. They cut a lot of benefits. And many people did get new jobs, but unfortunately, the new income cut out their food stamps or cut them totally. And it's just, we need each other right now. If you need help, don't be afraid to reach out. Reach out to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Remember, we're trying to get 5,000 subscribers. Come on, subscribe. Also, if you just need to talk, reach out to me. This is your Uncle Chris. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be doing a barbecue. Stay tuned. All right? All right. Till later on.